Good morning, it's the 22nd of May, 2012, Tuesday. I just want to quickly take you through the action or lack thereof yesterday, and then just slowly zoom out to the hourly view and the end of day view, just to show what I'm looking at right now. So basically Friday was a very bad day in terms of whipsaw. Yeah, and I learned from that in that I only traded once yesterday, and that was on a confirmed signal over here to the long side. It was looking quite promising at the stage, but yeah, once the American market sort of opened and got going, there was just yeah, not enough follow through from our side. Even though the American market ended up rallying quite nicely. I didn't take my stop loss for reasons I mentioned in my update of yesterday's live trade post. I just feel that there's more to gain on the long side than there is to lose on the short side, and the probability of the long trade happening, in my opinion, is slightly higher than the market testing this 2900 level. And therefore for me it's a bit of a no-brainer, even though it goes against my systems and my rules, so to speak. I didn't take this loss. Yeah, I'm starting to see this potential breakout trade through, and yeah, looking for a gap trade. So it's about 400 points up versus 200 points down, which gives you a risk-reward ratio of 2 to 1. And yeah, so that for me is a positive expectancy trade, and I'll take it. You can also see that the majority of the sell-off happened post cash market close. So yeah, I just think there was a bit of overreaction in that sense. Just something else interesting to note is that the breakout candle was done at very high volume, almost the highest volume of the day. So that's why it was looking so promising at that stage. Just moving on to the hourly charts. Yeah, you can see the falling wedge pattern in a bit more detail that I was talking about yesterday. So this 29,170 level is now acting as a support level, and I feel that we might close this gap with a bit of a bounce and maybe even try and test this lateral resistance line before either going back down, or yeah, we'll see what happens there. But just as I mentioned, falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern if confirmed. So if we do ever get to this breakout stage, it's important to look at the volume levels to see if the breakout is done on high volume or not. Looking at end of day, at the moment we're trading in this support resistance block, and we are now on the outer limits of the block, with 29,600 being broken and 29,000 almost being tested. Yeah, here's a zoomed out view of the wedge. So I just, like I said, I see us going back up to this level here, closing the gap, and then either retesting 2900 or breaking up in a bullish reversal signal. So yeah, that's what we have to look forward to. Yeah, feeling much better about the trading after Friday, and yeah, as long as your trade ideas make sense and your risk reward is always in your favor, I don't think you can go wrong. Yeah, so let's see what today brings.